Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make this cool 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. It's really easy. First off, start off with the type tool and write your letter or letters. You can do this with multiple. Then I'm going to change this font to something a little bolder, kind of like this. Next, go to Effect, 3D Extrude and Bevel. We're going to click here and select isometric top, and then adjust the extrusion depth to whatever fits our artboard best. Press OK when you're happy with it, and we get this cool X. We can resize it a little bit. We're then going to expand and ungroup till you have the ungroup option highlighted. Then we're going to grab the shape builder tool and we're going to fix up our shape. We want this X to be one whole shape. Then there's this part. 1 and 2 go together, this and this, till you get something like this with all the shapes separated and divided. I forgot to click on this one. Right. Next, we're going to select our letter and add a gradient. We're going to press G on our keyboard and we can fix up the gradient to whatever we like best. I'm going to go with something like this. And now basically do the same with your other shapes. So select the gradient and then you can fix it however you prefer. When you're done, you're going to select all my other shapes. Press I on your keyboard to grab the eyedropper tool, otherwise you can find it over here as well. And just click on the gradient so that it'll automatically apply it to all the rest. And that's basically it. This was really fast, really quick, really easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more stuff. I post almost daily when I can. And yeah, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you probably tomorrow. Bye!